Let us fix up your chimney or install that fireplace you always wanted. Let us redo your front steps or improve that backyard patio. Let us solve that leaky roof problem or replace your old dated roofing shingles. American Chimney Service, American Masonry Service, and American Roofing Service are New Jersey's premier home improvement specialists for chimney, masonry, and roofing work. Our technicians and consultants are Chimney Safety Institute of America and OSHA certified. You can count on your work being done safely with courtesy and professionalism, and most important, correctly. No matter how big or small the job, you can count on us because we stand by and guarantee all of our work. American Chimney Service, www.americanchimneyservice.com, 201-358-2800. American Masonry Service, www.americanmasonryservice.com, 201-358-2828. American Roofing Service, www.americanroofingservice.com, 201-358-2929.